Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I thought I would just go ahead and do a little short video on how you can make your own diamond painting logbooks. But first, I'm going to apologize for any shaking and lighting issues again, as always. Where I'm filming this is not like real sturdy, so there's going to be a little shaking. And then also I want to say to all my subscribers that I appreciate every one of you. It shocks me every day when I get on and I see that I have as many subscribers as I have, because I never in a million years would have thought that, well, for one, I never in a million years would have thought I would have a YouTube channel, but I also wouldn't have thought that there had been that many people that was interested in anything I had to say. So to that, I appreciate every single one of you. And if you are new and you're just scrolling through, please hit that subscribe button and the bell, and it'll let you know every time I have a new video. Okay, so at the end of this video, I do have a small announcement I want to make, so please stay tuned. Alright, so like I said, this is going to be a short video on how to make your own diamond painting log. So as you can see, I have two notebooks, and this one is my logbook number 2 because I've already filled this one up. But okay, so here's what you're going to need. Go to Dollar Tree, Walmart, wherever. I do a lot of shopping at Dollar Tree because, let's face it, everything in there is $1. Plus I used to work there, so there's that. But you can go to Dollar Tree and you can just get you a notebook. They have the composition books, they have spirals, they have the larger spirals, journals, any kind of notebook you'd want. And this is a good time of year to do it anyway, because they have all their school supplies out. So anyway, go get you a notebook, and then you're going to want a pack of ink pens. Okay, these, I don't remember what they're called, but I got these in a pack at Dollar Tree, and I love these ink pens. They write smoothly, and they just kind of glide over your paper. I really like these ink pens. But anyway, you can get a pack of them at Dollar Tree. So you're going to need you a notebook and a pack of ink pens. So now, I know there are tons of logbooks out there that you can purchase that already has all the information in there, and all you got to do is fill in the blanks. That's fine and dandy, but not all of us can afford to purchase a logbook like that. So if you're like me and you're living on a budget pretty much, then you can go spend a couple bucks and have a notebook, and you just fill out what you want. Okay, so what your basics are is your notebook, your pen, and then as you can see, now I'm not going to flip through this whole thing. When I first started diamond painting, I thought, ooh, I'm going to be so organized. And I had these little tabs that I made that said, you know, these were all the diamond paintings I bought from Amazon, and then DAC, and, you know, all these other little companies that, you know, I was just going to stay organized. Well, that went out the window about, oh, I don't know, 30 canvases. Okay, so what I did is I just started, well, with this logbook, I just started with whatever canvas I was working on. I filled this out. The next one, fill this out, so on and so forth. Okay, but basically you just want, let me see, let me find one. Well, okay, we'll just go with this one. Alright, so I got this one from Diamond Art Club. So basically you want to put, which, like I said, this was my first logbook, and I had everything in these little tabs, okay? Well, you know what? We'll just start right here. I'm sorry. This video was not very well thought out. So, what you want basically in your logbook is you'll want the name of the company that you purchased your canvas through. Then you're going to, let's see, you want to figure out what you exactly want this to look like, or what you exactly want written in here. What is it that you want to make sure you remember, okay? So with me, I had the name of the company that I purchased through. I had the name of the canvas, and then of course the little stickers that come with the canvases. Not all canvases have these little stickers, but when they do, I always try to put them in with my info. Now, this one, I put in the name. I put that it was round drills, how big it is, how many colors was in it, how much I paid for it. I always put in when I ordered it, when I received it, when I started it, when I finished it. I usually write in there, you know, what the little kit consists of, whether it's like a green boat, pen. I usually write all that down. Now, that's not necessary, but like I said, I was going to be all organized, and I was going to take good notes and everything about each canvas. Well, I still do, but I'm not as picky, because in the beginning, I even took and would write down how many drills I put on that canvas. You know, I'd go through and I'd count all the drills on one side, and then I'd count all the drills on the bottom, all the way across, and then I'd do the multiply, and you know, I did all the math, and I would come up with the number of drills that I actually stuck on that canvas. Well, I don't do that anymore, because that's just too much. So, anyway, you write down all that. Let's see. Let's see, what else? Because I see I've got other stuff on that one. So okay. So, again, there's my little sticker. Once I have the basic information, then once I am finished with the canvas, I will write down what I liked about it, what I didn't like about it, you know, all kinds of stuff. So this one is finished, and I have started this one, and as you can see, I still put, you know, the company, the name, the artist, how big it is, how many colors, anything special. Like this one had 3 ABs. You know, just my thoughts on this canvas. That's really basically all you need. And if you add anything extra, I always write that stuff down just for my own personal use, okay? And like I said, you can do this any way you want to do this. But your basics are going to be, grab yourself a notebook, a good set of writing pens. You're going to want, the info that you do want in here is the name of the company, the name of the canvas, you know, when you purchased it, when you received it, when you started it, when you finished it, any special thingies that you do to it. Let's see, you can put your sticker in here, and like, which one was it? Let's see, like this, like my Serafina. Now, I was able to stick the whole thing in here, so it's got, you know, all of my colors and symbols and everything. I don't throw these things away. I keep these things and stick them in with my paperwork. But you can put anything you want in these books. I mean, it's completely and totally up to you, what you want, what information you want to save and keep. Some people even go as far as writing down, you know, how many hours it took them to complete that diamond painting. Now, I don't do that only because I work on my canvas when I work on my canvas. And I'll get up and I'll go do something else and I'll come back to it. And I don't think to look at the clock to see, okay, I'm breaking for 15 minutes and then I'm coming back. I don't have that much brain power to do all that. So, now, there is also an app called Gemsflow that you can download on your phone, and it is exactly the same thing as using a logbook. It's just an app on your phone. You can put the picture, you can put all the drills in there, you can put, it asks you all the questions, and basically it's a fill in the blank kind of thing. When you bought it, where you bought it, your start date, your end date, whether you kept it or gave it away or sold it, any kind of notes. It's got a 5-star rating on each canvas that you can do. It's totally up to you. I myself, I do have the Gemsflow app because I like to keep up with everything that I do. But I also like to have, I guess you could say, the hard copy in my hand so I can, if my phone's dead, or if I run off and forget my phone, or if I've lost my phone, or something happens and I lose everything in my phone, I've still got my paper, my notebooks to refer back to. So that's why I have both of them. So anyway, I hope this was helpful to some people, and I hope it made sense. And I know I went through this real quick, but I just thought some people would want to, you know how to do this without actually purchasing a logbook. Not that there's anything wrong with that, because there's a couple that I have in my wish list that I want. I just haven't been able to get them yet. So I think maybe once I get done with this one, if I do start a third one, I might actually purchase a real logbook just so I can say I have that logbook. So, okay, so here's my little announcement. I am getting ready to start an Etsy shop. Now, I'm hoping that I can get this going within the next week or so. And once I do, I'll do another video and let everybody know the name of the shop, that it's opened, you know, everything that needs to be done with the shop. But it will have several different things in it. Mostly it'll be cover minders, but I will eventually start adding other things into the shop. So I just wanted to throw that out there so that, you know, I guess y'all can, you know, be discussing this, I guess. And I know that there are several Etsy shops out there that everybody is selling basically the same stuff. And I'm just another fish in the pond. But I love diamond painting so much, and I fell in love with this so fast, so hard. And this is something that I have been working towards since, I guess, probably November, December. And I'm just now actually getting everything in the works to where I can open the shop within the next week or two. So I just wanted to throw that out there into the community so that, you know, you're aware that there's going to be another fish out there. So like I said, as soon as I get everything done, I will definitely put another video out and let everybody know where they can go, what it is, and all of that. So anyway, I just wanted to let everyone know, and like I said, I just wanted to throw this video out there real quick because some people, they just really don't know how to do how to start a logbook. So I just thought maybe, this is my version of it, and this is how I do it, and hopefully it's helpful to somebody else. You don't have to do exactly what I do, but, this is how I do it, and hopefully you can get, started on yourself one the way you do it. So anyway, again, thank you to all of my subscribers, and I hope everybody is having a great day, and until my next video, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.